Sometimes after a Windows update has occurred on our computer system that we use for the media on Sunday, there are settings that get changed, and one of the settings is the sound setting. I have brought up presenter. It's on this screen. On your second screen you have the browser, and I'm going to click on OBS. And how I know that the sound is not a problem is I can make a sound from up in the balcony and I don't see anything reading on the green bar that is right here. The microphones that are on right now would reflect that they are on by me hitting the table. So to fix this, I will need to go to settings. So to do this, I'm going to go back over to my main screen and type in settings. And I will select this top option here, and it will open up on your second screen here. And I'm going to click on System and then Sound, and what I see is what devices are available. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down past Input and go to Advanced, and then I'm going to look at this one here, All Sound Devices, and I'll click on this. And what I find is one of the input devices that we need to have enabled is this audio box USB. You can see right now that it's disabled, and this is because of the Windows update that occurred. So to fix this, I'm going to go over to this arrow on the USB right here, the audio box USB, and I will click. And up here I see that it's not allowed, so I'm going to click the allow button right up here. This should enable the audio box that we need for our streaming for Sundays. So what I'm going to do now at this point is I will minimize this screen here, and I'm going to go to OBS. And in OBS, I'm going to go to File and to Settings, to Audio, and we need to go down to this third entry, this Mic Auxiliary Audio. Now that we have the audio box USB enabled, it shows up in this window, and I can select audio box, and then I come down to the bottom and I click apply, and then I'll click OK. Now let's see if my test works. So we'll look at that green bar. You can see the green bar registers me slapping the table. So once again, when you go in here after a Windows update and you click on audio, and if you click on this third entry, Mic Auxiliary Audio, if you do not see the audio box USB, then you need to go through these steps, going to Settings, System, Sound, and you can then enable that device. I don't know why it disables this device on updates, but it's something related to the Windows systems settings. That's all I have. I just wanted to explain what I do to correct this issue. If you ever encounter this, hopefully this video will help you resolve this issue. Thank you.